right, let's find dy over dx for y equals 3x squared plus x minus 2. Whoa, what? Okay, I'm going to rewrite this problem using a blue pen, and I'm going to take the derivative of both sides with respect to x. Let's just go ahead and be clear. You know the answer. The answer is 6x plus 1, right? You know that, I know that, nobody's surprised. That's why we're starting with an easy problem. But I have a y here, and I'm leaving some gaps, 3x squared plus x minus 2. And we're going to do this beautiful mathematical operation where we are going to take the derivative of both sides. Whatever you do to one side of the equation, you do to the other. I'm going to take the derivative of this side with respect to x and take the derivative of this side with respect to x. And when I do that, I have, let's do the easy side first, 6x plus 1. We already knew that was the answer. However, let's point out, obviously, I'll point out the obvious. This is an x, this is an x, we're good. This is an x, this is an x, we're good. The derivative of y is 1. But this is an x, this is a y, so it's 1, and then this extra factor there. And I had to find dy dx, meaning solve for dy dx, but it was already by itself. Okay, let's do the same thing here. 4x plus y equals 3, leaving some gaps. And we're going to take the derivative of both sides with respect to x. d dx is not something you are multiplying by, it is an operation, okay? So a lot of people would look at something and say, okay, and I'm making stuff up at this point. If I said x equaled 3, and I said, let's do the same thing to both sides. Sine x equals sine 3. You just did the same thing to both sides. It's perfectly okay. You did not multiply by sine, okay? Sine is an operation. I signed this side, I signed that side. I am not multiplying by d over dx. I am taking the derivative of both sides. It is an operation that I am performing. It is not like multiplying, okay? It looks like I'm multiplying because I've bracketed, and it looks like old algebra stuff you've seen, but that's not it. Easy side first. The derivative of 3 is 0. The derivative with respect to x of 4x is 4. The derivative of y with respect to x is 1. But this is a y, this is an x. I need this term. Okay, the direction said find dy dx. Done.